This is the brief on the Indiana Driver's Manual and license requirements. Okay, so we're going to dive into the official rules from the Indiana BMV, the Bureau of Motor Vehicles. This covers everything you need to get your license and, just as important, how to stay safe and legal once you're on the road. First up, getting that license, the requirements are pretty specific. You got to hold a learner's permit for at least 180 days. Now, age-wise, the absolute earliest is 16 and 90 days, but only if you've done a BMV licensed driver ed program. If not, you're waiting till 16 and 270 days. And here's the big one. You must log 50 hours of supervised driving, and make sure 10 of those are at night. No skipping that. Second, just got your license and you're under 21? Well, that license is probationary till you hit 21 and 30 days old. And those first 180 days? Big restrictions. You can't drive between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m., period. Also, during that time, no passengers allowed unless it's like your spouse, kid, sibling, or a licensed driver who's 25 or older sitting right up front. Oh, and this is for everyone. Indiana law says absolutely no handheld phones while driving. Use hands-free or it's for a 911 call, that's it. Seriously, finally, let's talk about staying safe out there, especially with distances. You know that 2 to 3 second rule behind the car in front? Stick to it. And at night, headlights on from sunset to sunrise, obviously, but also anytime you can't see 500 feet ahead. Use lower beams when you're within 200 feet behind someone or 500 feet of oncoming traffic. And be super careful around big trucks. A loaded semi doing 55, it needs over 400 feet to stop. Your car, maybe 140 feet. Huge difference, right? So keeping these age rules, driving hours, and safety distances straight, that's really key to handling Indiana's roads safely.